Hey medicos, welcome back. So today we will going to discuss about the INICET recall based questions on May 2023. Myself Dr. Amit and I am junior resident in the Department of Data Diagnosis at AIMS Hyderabad. So guys, I heard your paper was like a mixed type, not too easy and not too hard, but yes, there are few questions that might alien to you. So yes, in the beginning we will discuss few questions and solve in the comment section, and after that in the end I will give you answers of a simple and easy questions. Okay, and let's talk about the first question, that is name the organism given, and the image given was this. So here we can see that there is lipopolysaccharides, pilus, inner and outer membranes. There is capsular polysaccharide. So we have four options, that is Neisseria, E. coli, Pseudomonas and Staph aureus. And our answer should be yes, Neisseria. Now the next question is toxoplasmosis, which is seen in. And there are four options, that is sporozoite, bradyzoite, oocyte and gametocyte. I will tag this question in my comment section. You should give your opinion and make others help. So just comment in the given section option number 2. Then the third question is what infects Kupffer cells in liver, and we have four options: Plasmodium vivax, Babesia, Leishmania donovani and T. gondii. So what is Kupffer cells? These are the phagocytic cells which forms the lining of the sinusoids of the liver and is involved in the breakdown of the red blood cells. Your answer should be Leishmania donovani. Now the next question is meropenem resistance but cotrimazole and ticarcillin clavulanate sensitive, and we have four options: Burkholderia capacia, Stenotrophomas multifilia, Actinobacter and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. And there can be conflict Cepacia and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So if you know the answer, then write in the comment section. Now the next question is vaginal discharge stains underwear with no itching, lactobacillus numbers are normal. So these are the options given: candidiasis, bacterial vaginosis, increased normal vaginal discharge. So what is your answer? I think the answer should be bacterial vaginosis. If you have any doubt or if you have any confusion while in my answering, you can just comment in the comment section and we will discuss about it. Infection which doesn't transfer perinatally. So HSV, CMV, rubella and hepatitis B are the options. We will discuss this question at the end. Patient has absent CD40 on B cells. What will be seen? This is our 7th question here, and the options are all immunoglobulins low but high IgM but low immunoglobulin G. Then what is your answer? I don't know the further two options here, but I think answer was increased IgM and decreased IgG, because hyper IgM syndrome has CD4 deficiency and it has some features like this. So I think answer B is correct here. Then the next question is a female with multiple sexual partners, she developed a painless ulcer on vulva. What is your first steps on management? So we have four options. I don't know the fourth one, but the three options are VDRL, HIV ELISA, culture, and I don't know about the fourth option. And just comment your opinion regarding this question, that is question number 8. Then question number 9 is vaccination was not contraindicated in, and there are multiple options here: DiGeorge syndrome, Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, ataxia telangiectasia and complement deficiency. So I know that there are multiple choice combinations of answer here, but the thing is, in DiGeorge syndrome live vaccines are contraindicated. In Wiskott syndrome, live vaccines, measles, polios are contraindicated here. But I don't know about the ataxia telangiectasia and complement deficiency. So I think complement deficiency may be the answer. But in this also severe allergic reactions can be seen. So just let me know your answer in the comment section. Patient underwent heart transplantation. Sputum sample shows budding yeast cells and pseudohyphae. What is the diagnosis? This is our ninth question, right? So here we have the two options. I don't know about the next ones, but the first option is it is not enough to make a diagnosis, and candida infection. So I think the budding its cells and pseudohyphae can be seen in the candida. So I think candida infection is the answer. Now, which of the following direct gonioscope? And there is also multiple options are correct. So options are Goldman, Richardson, Kuipe and Jez. So I think answer is B and C, that is Richardson and Kuipe. Now this was the image given. I don't know the exact image, but here what is the marked arrow? But I know that arrow was given at the same place where anterior hyaloid is marked in the second diagram, and both diagrams was present there. That was I heard. So the options are canal of Petit, Eggers line, canal of Hanover, capsule of Lenz. So I think answer is canal of Petit. Now the 13th question is mark correct options, and the options are kinetic perimetry, intensity of stimulus is kept constant while it is removed. Second option I don't know. The third one is for diagnosis of field defects as glaucoma, ONH changes should be present. Isopter contraction and bearing of blind spots are early specific changes of glaucoma. So here my correct answer, I think the correct answer is kinetic perimetry, intensity of stimulus is kept constant while it's moved. Now the next question is criteria of high quality CPR. All are correct and except. So we know that rate is must 100 to 120 per minute, depth is about 5 to 6 centimeters, allow full recoil, and ventilation is 20 to 24 minutes. If you want to know the answer of this question, just follow my Instagram channel named medicos 3, and many questions are there in the exams from the same post that I posted from my 20th book. So please visit that page. If you like that page, then share it with your friends. Now the thing is, which of the following substance better in test? And we have options hydrogen ion, aldehyde, alkali or alkaloid, I don't know the exact thing, and amino acid, that is the glutamate. So the exact question is better test developed in humans to identify toxic substances. Which of the following or below would be a better test? So here my answer is alkali or alkaloids. Which of the following is not suggestive of antemortem drowning? And the options are white froth near mouth, presence of diatoms, washerwoman hands, and presence of water in the stomach. So here my answer is presence of water in the stomach. Now which of the following is false? And the options are adipocere occurs after body comes out of the water, cadaveric spasm occurs in specific muscles, postmortem lividity is more common in lower limbs, and putrefaction start in right iliac fossa, it's green in color. So here the answer is adipocere doesn't occur in water, it occurs in hot and humid environment. That's what I think. So here my answer is A. Now let's talk about the next question, and the question is in which only aberration color is seen, and the options are close shot, contact shot, near shot, and distant shot. So the answer is contact shot. A 5-year-old child started crying inconsolably after returning from temple with grandmother. The child was having priapism and cold clammy extremities. Then what is your treatment of choice? So there are options like antivenom, prazosin. I don't know about the next options, but I think prazosin should be given. I think that because priapism seen in scorpion bite, so yeah, alpha blocker can be given, prazosin. The next question is labellar difference seen in. So what is labellar difference? Defined as a paradoxical absence of psychological distress despite having a serious medical illness or symptoms related to a health condition. So here we have the 4 options, that is conversion disorder, depression, mania, and schizophrenia. So I think the answer is conversion disorder. Now the next question is patient doesn't eat etc. He says I don't have head, how can I eat? Something like that. What is the delusion? So we have four options, that is Cotard delusion, bizarre delusion, nihilistic delusion and hypochondriacal delusion. So nihilistic delusion is characterized by a delusion belief of being dead, decomposed or annihilated, having lost one's own internal organs or even not existing entirely as a human being. So I think the answer is nihilistic delusion. Now the next question is MRCP given and there are options like choledocholithiasis, pancreatic duct stone and CBD stricture. But here this is the look over here. So here we have the MRCP image and I think this is the choledocholithiasis. Now the next question is elderly patient with lymphadenopathy and the TLC count is 65,000 millimeter per cube. Smudge cells are seen. What is the next line of management or investigation? So the next line of investigation here is flow cytometry, where the other options are bone marrow biopsy, cytogenetic studies. Now the next question is amyloid deposition after hemolysis seen in yes A beta 2. And the other options are A beta and I don't know about the next two options there, but yes, the answer is A beta 2. Then the next question is which of the following is true necrosis? So here the multiple options are correct. So inflammation is seen, yes, cellular swelling is also seen, cell membrane rupture is also seen in necrosis, but yeah, it is not a physiological. So yeah, except from option C, all are true. Then which of the following is anti-apoptotic? And the options are MLC, Beam, BAD, Puma. So we know that Beam, BAD, Puma are the stress sensors, while MLC it is a anti-apoptotic. Now the next one is iron deficiency anemia profile, and there it is a very simple question guys, where the serum iron level is decreased, same transferrin saturations is also decreased, ferritin level is also decreased, but yes, TIBC is increased, that is total iron binding capacity. Now DNA sequence alteration can be detected by, and there are several options like Sanger sequencing, RFLP, flow cytometry and pro sequencing. So what is your answer? Yeah, the answer is it can be detected by Sanger sequencing, RFLP and pro sequencing, but it is not detected by the flow cytometry. So this is the answer here. So if you like this discussion, then you can just visit my channel in Instagram. There I will post the another sets of question, and yes, every day there I am posting one important page from my 20th book. Then yes, you can visit it, and if you like, then follow that page. Thank you.